needs the protection of things like coenzyme Q10 and magnesium to support your energy, to support your cognitive function, to support your blood vascular health, to support blood sugars. These little batteries are about cleaning up your cells and creating longevity. How many of you would let the battery on your phone run out? Why are you letting the battery in your body run out? I want you to think about coenzyme Q10 because it is the preferential fuel of the mitochondria in the body. Coenzyme Q10 resides in the membrane of each of our cells, right? Particularly, coenzyme Q10 is the fuel for the membranes of the mitochondria. Now, mitochondria, if you don't know this, have their own elliptical DNA, right? They don't have your DNA, they have their DNA. There's another one that has its own DNA, probiotics. If you think you're ruling the roost, you're not. The DNA of your gut is, and the DNA of your mitochondria are, and they are dictating your longevity, your energy, your ability to keep going and metabolize healthfully, right? These are some of the things that we think of with coenzyme Q10. Healthy cardiovascular function, healthy dental function, healthy head comfort, right? Healthy cognitive, and even sexual and physical endurance. What is coenzyme Q10? It is a fatty, it's a natural fatty structure that's found, as I said, in the membranes of cells. It naturally diminishes. Your body's ability to create this naturally diminishes with age, right? So what we want to think of, just like we did with vitamin D, just like we think of with fiber, just like we think of with omegas, we want to think about our lifestyle. We want to think about our activity level. We want to think about what our health targets are and think about where does our commitment bring us. Are we going to add to our batteries? Are we going to add to our health with the addition of coenzyme Q10? Is that a more important question to ask if you're above the age of 30? Because it's just right about that time that we start to see a decline in mitochondria in individuals. Those that carry extra weight, those that do not sleep well, those that do not exercise well, tend to have this decline start even sooner. You're concerned about keeping your blood sugars within healthy ranges. I want you to know that it's a good idea for you to think about steps you take with fiber and other products to take care of your blood sugar, but also know that that blood sugar is impacting the batteries in each and every one of your cells. And you may want to also consider coenzyme Q10 for its benefits in supporting blood sugar health. Coenzyme Q10, like vitamin D, is ubiquitous in the body. That's actually where its name, ubiquinone, comes from, because it's ubiquitous in the body. It's a very powerful antioxidant, but a unique antioxidant in that it houses itself inside the cell. So this is unlike ORAC, unlike resveratrol, unlike OPC3. It is an intracellular antioxidant, and that makes it very special to pair with some of the antioxidants that I just mentioned. Because of its structure, it's very fat-loving or lipophilic. It's practically insoluble in water. That means you shouldn't be choosing just any coenzyme Q10 to support your mitochondria or to feed those batteries. You want one that will stay soluble, have a high bioavailability, and therefore have a high bioactivity in the body. So one of the things that we did with our coenzyme Q10 in the heart health system is we use a branded, tested, and clinically evidence form or ingredient called CQ10 CF, because we know that many of the brands that are available in the market have very poor bioavailability, that they are not able to withstand stomach acids, and that individuals that have high metabolic need may need to have a higher potency or higher bioavailability to their coenzyme Q10 to be able to support their health needs. So that's what we looked for. One that had heightened bioavailability, heightened bioactivity, because it was able to stay soluble and not oxidize quickly. This meant that this particular CoQ10 CF helps us both with mitochondrial biogenesis, more energy, more batteries in our cells, but also with cardiovascular health and well-being, because it doesn't oxidize. Why would you be considering the Heart Health Advanced Coenzyme Q10? To maintain healthy heart function or muscle strength in the heart, normal blood pressure, supporting healthy cholesterol levels. So it's found its home in the Heart Health family. But I want us to also think about its benefits in supporting healthy blood sugar, mitochondrial biogenesis, energy throughout the day.